Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Reddit account with Reddit, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your Reddit account, start by opening the Reddit website or app. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. Select Forgot Password beneath the password entry field. Enter the email address associated with your Reddit account. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Reddit. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You will be directed to a page to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Confirm your new password by entering it again. After you've changed your password, return to the Reddit login page. Enter your username and the new password you just created. Click on the login button to access your account. If you encounter issues, try clearing your browser's cache or using a different browser. For additional help, visit Reddit's Help Center. Follow the prompts for account recovery if needed. You can also submit a request for further assistance through Reddit's support page. Once your account is back, review your account settings to ensure everything is secure. Always enable two-factor authentication for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.